We're back in Jacksonville, Florida, of course, because this is the Living in Jacksonville, Florida channel. I'm going to show you a beautiful new community by Meritage Homes. It's in Jacksonville on the northwest part of town. I'm going to show you a beautiful model home like this one right back here. Meritage is selling 3-bedroom, 2-bath homes in this community starting at $271,000. They're very energy efficient. They're nicely laid out on the lots, and they have lots of nice open concept floor plans available for you. They have some really great incentives available. This location is only 25 minutes from Cecil Field, 25 minutes from Naval Air Station Jacksonville, and we're not too far from the Cummer Museum downtown, Everbank Stadium, also known as Trevor Bank Stadium, where the Jaguars play, and not too far from the International Airport. You've also got State Road 23, that high-speed toll road, that expressway that they've just put in, and you're also close to I-295 as well. I'm going to show you a little bit around the neighborhood as well, so you're going to want to stick around because we're getting after it right now. Before we get too far into the tour, I wanted to remind you that I do have another video, and we're going to put the thumbnail up, of a community that I covered in Green Cove Springs by Meritage Homes. It's called the Lakes at Lago. You want to check that one out, because if you want Green Cove Springs and you want great prices and energy efficiency, Meritage Homes has one there at the Lakes at Lago as well. I'm going to take you on a tour of this beautiful Acadia plan. This one is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage. 1,607 square feet. Let's go. All right, so this is the 2-car garage that's currently being used as offices. This home has cementous siding. It's got architectural shingles up top. It's got vinyl soffits underneath the eaves there. Got some really nice overhang over the front porch area here. It's got smart door locks, smart doorbell. We've got tile in the model in the main living areas here. And it's pretty nice and open and wide in here. You have this nice inset area. To our right here, immediately, we have the beautiful kitchen with white shaker cabinets, beautiful stone countertops, and they've got stainless steel appliances in here. And you can see that the ceiling is pretty high in here as well. This will be where your pantry is. Continuing forward, they've got this section here set up for dining. This is where your air handler is, carrier unit. Plenty of windows allowing lots of natural light in here. Here we have the main living area. You've got this model on a very nice pond lot with sliding glass doors. Looking back at the house, forward. This is where the washer and dryer, you'll find those right here. Now we are at the owner's suite. This has a king-size bed in it. dual sinks here with stone countertops here in the bathroom. You've got a walk-in shower with tile on the walls there. Water closet here, place for your linens on the right, and here's the walk-in closet. Real quick, I just wanted to take a minute to show you some of the beautiful preserved lots that are still available here in Kings Crossing, the community by Meritage Homes. I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can get a good look. This is a lot that has the home that's, of course, about ready to have the slab poured. They've got the forms up. This one's a little further along. They're putting in all of the plumbing. And as you can see, all of those hardwood trees in behind that would be available if you bought a house on a preserved lot. So the owner's suite is separated from the other 3 bedrooms. I'm going to show you those right now. All right, we are walking up past the kitchen area. And on our left, this will be bedroom number 2. And this one's ready for the Jaguars and Duval. Across the hallway, this is the bathroom, full-size bathroom with a tub shower combination. Again, beautiful stone countertops. Here we are at bedroom number 3. And across the hallway we have bedroom number 4. This is the entryway out to the garage area. Thanks for tuning in for this tour of the Kings Crossing community here in Northwest Jacksonville. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. And reach out to me if you have any questions. We're going to put my phone number and email address up on the screen. Remember, whether you move in 9 days or 9 months, reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jacks.